Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Azure AD access after lost Authenticator, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Azure AD access after losing your Authenticator app, start by visiting the Azure portal. Log in with your username and password if prompted. If your primary authentication method fails, you may see a message indicating that additional verification is needed. Click on that Need Another Method or Can't Access Your Account link. You will likely be given several recovery options, such as security questions or email verification. Select the option that works best for you to proceed. If you have set up recovery email options, enter your recovery email address and check your inbox for a verification code. If using security questions, answer them accurately to regain access. Once verified, you will gain access to your account. Next, navigate to the Security Info settings in the Azure portal. Here, you can add a new Authenticator app for future logins. Choose to add a new method and select the option for the Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the new Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the setup is complete, verify that the app generates codes correctly. You should now have restored access to your Azure AD account. Make sure to keep your authenticated methods up to date for streamlined access in the future. Consider setting up multiple recovery options to avoid losing access again. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your account remains protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.